Hi, thanks for visiting NoBrainerBiz.net. I want to let you know that you visiting this website means a lot to me, and I'm honored. And because of that fact, I want to be a good steward of your time. So let me make a few suggestions, okay? One, there's a reason why you clicked on this opportunity. Not just because of curiosity, but there might be a solution that you're seeking for your current circumstances or situations. Or there's a dream out there that you have yet to realize and capture and achieve. Regardless of why you're here at this site, you're here. There's a purpose for it. So all I ask is that you keep an open mind, okay? First, before you start clicking around all over the site, I'm just going to ask you to go over to the About Me tab. Now, obviously, I could record this video and tell you all about me in this introduction, but that's not the purpose of why I want to do this, okay? So go over to the About Me, learn about me, and hear my heart and what I am trying to accomplish in this business and in my other businesses, and how I can help you achieve your goals and your dreams. The next thing I want you to do is go over to the Opportunity tab, okay, and watch the presentation, take notes, and don't forget your dreams, okay, and how this might be a possible solution for you. You're at the right place at the right time. All I gotta say is stop leaving money on the table, okay? I want to help you achieve your success. So go to the About Me, then go to the Opportunities tab, and then you feel free to click on any other link on this website as you want. Go through the products and services that we offer, all the different things, okay? But it's not about products and services. It's about helping you achieve your dreams and your success, and I can show you how and teach you how to do a duplicatable system that has allowed me the freedom and the flexibility to spend time with my family and do pretty much what I want as a full-time real estate investor, as a vice president of a software company in charge of marketing and sales, and also as a Fortune High-Tech marketing independent representative manager, trainer, coach. Anyway, I look forward to talking with you, teaching you, and growing with you. To your success, God bless.